Even tried and tested solutions offer innovation potential. Sometimes innovation is the final touch. Doors make haulage companies efficient, fire brigades fast, and shipyard halls weatherproof. A tried and tested type is the roller shutter that is space-saving, robust, and low maintenance. A special type of the roller shutter is the one with moving torque bracket system. The door shaft is mounted movably. This offers numerous advantages compared to the standard roller shutter. Why are not all roller shutters built with a moving torque bracket system? The answer is simple. There is one major disadvantage, the so-called stick-slip effect. In other words, the sliding back of solid bodies moving against each other. Think of a wiper rattling on a windscreen. The faster the door moves, the stronger the effect. The solution is as simple as it is ingenious: the universal GfA anti-deflection device. The mechanical guidance of the door shaft is now precise. The two shaft bearings run parallel with the same speed, preventing the stick-slip effect. The universal GfA anti-deflection device for new doors or retrofitting. An innovation from GfA, the final touch.